Proper, official supplier to the U.S. military for over 40 years, introduces another product that brings battle-tested performance to the streets. Introducing Proper's new lightweight tactical trousers. Constructed of high-quality 6535 polycotton ripstop fabric for a durable professional appearance that prevents fading and wrinkling, and a DuPont Teflon coating that repels stains and liquids. These versatile pants are designed for a wide range of law enforcement work with outstanding comfort and styling that looks good on and off duty. Proper's lightweight tactical pants are fully loaded with 11 multifunctional pockets, including Proper's unique pocket in a pocket that secures your wallet while allowing for easy access, a double coin utility pocket that's perfect for small items, and a cell phone pocket large enough for a PDA. Deep back pockets with Velcro closure, angle front pockets for easy access, and cargo pockets for extra storage round out the superior design of Proper's lightweight tactical trousers. Exclusive to Proper, each pant includes a free nylon duty belt featuring the Proper logo. These pants are built to last, a staple of our battle-tested reputation. The lightweight tactical trousers feature reinforced seat and knees to handle the toughest jobs, internal knee pad openings for tactical duty and training, front pocket rip guards to prevent ripping and fraying, extra wide belt loops made for large nylon tactical belts, an action stretch waistband and snap closure with French fly for maximum comfort, and a handy key ring perfect for easy access to keys and small tools. Proper's lightweight tactical trousers are available in 6 colors, including new gray and coyote. Check out Proper's lightweight tactical trousers, an incredible value, and get a free nylon duty belt with each pair. Visit www.proper.com to locate a dealer near you.